say Igwe.
Myself,
Mr. Mbare. We ourselves got a
Lord Mwale.
I'm not a boxer,
But
not a goalkeeper. Look,
the family belong. He has got
He's a drunkard master.
Dragon Master.
myself,
You,
Dragon Master.
Dragon Master.
Who told you that?
I'm telling you.
Oh, where
This
did
guy,
you be?
you, Shabi.
Saka nyaya muhamuda kupedza papa.
Don't have a party 3. Party 3 ndeyekuti I am surrounded by antichrist people. Those people who do not believe that Jesus is there. God has been there. Usher will not tell you.
I'm a step. I don't even know.
I don't know it. I was not there. But what I want to highlight to you, we believe in the Almighty God, the Creator,
The Creator
of heaven and earth.
Uyaruguramba
Iwe uratibvumisa yoti bvume ukamafana iwe Mwari.
ndati wakambona makatorika ane imbuku nebhaibheri why muchiramba
Hey,
We are not in agreement. We are not in an altercation. We are just trying to highlight to you that Isusuka, we believe in the Almighty God only.
do you understand?
you know how about his son?
His son.
Not his son. Kutaura kuti wakambona mukati nebhaibheri here neimbuku.
His son, we're talking about.
Yo mdara yo ne 65 years and.
Yes.
Uyu mdara uyu.
Ane 65 years.
Ndi chief ko.
Sabu.
Kupi.
Mondoro.
Saka ya akwanisa kupindureke.
And I'm 50.
Gara pasa.
Don't answer.
Sabu.
Peace.
Sabu. Sabu.
Mudani wako.
Pevide boy.
Ndikubvunza imimi ka. Imimi tikuzvinzwa zvamuri kutaura. But uyo mfana wamunaye paside anonzi Parkerson ari kukanganisa pazvinhu zvamuri kuda kutaura neuyo Mwale Usher P vari kukanganisa vadzidzisei semunhu mukuru.
Ndinofana vanyatsokunzwisisa kuti
Hatina kunzwisisa.
hatinzwe
Hatinonzwisisa.
neevhangeri. Iwo unotora machechi anotanzanza hana bhaibheri sei.
Who's this one? Who just wrote that Bible? Was he son of God?
Yeunoda ipostori.
Jairira. Unitsa kumagaya
Tauraka.
inini.
Una postori.
God romance. Where we do romance.
And mafia guys.
Kana one day.
Kuna na Pope. You mafia.
Pope John Pope.
Yes.
And it runs
Pope John Pope.
Yenye Catholic.
Yeah.
Catholic.
Ai waka.
Ani Catholic yenye mimi.
Papa Paul antakura Bible. Amwese mataka ukambona.
Uncle. Nyenye makatakura Bible.
Izu.
Ani munaisa masepa musema
Yenyuga yenyuga. Ana hu.
Utara mzua huwa.
Doka penga.
Manje isusu towerenga su. Todi Makidho Mwari. Uyevere. By the way, cheche ndeipi kwenye. Yaona cheche.
Makapedzera nini?
Akapedzera nini?
Let's be frank and honest to one another.
Mbana ukaereka kunenzira mudhamu yo.
Discuss this is outrageous. Let's discuss things that are very important to our life.
But we should
don't lie.
But
Our brothers also to ask us.
I'm just here. I'm going to mense makadai also.
About what you listen.
I'm so sorry, we are so saturated.
You are going to just my giant.
Mamonya. I got for about 40.
I was 12.
12
man.
They're right.
I have a man 12 man.
Yeah. One going to Mapanga.
Mapanga.
I have a man
Judas Curry. I'm going to marry. Fishing industry. Just got a
also remember his first miracle. He turned water into wine. That was his first
we are about to know what do you call it? Oh, my baby. You're a beautiful woman. Oh, I know I could. I want to learn what's going on? What's going to win? Just on our way.
I just don't like to
I'm a businessman who carpenter. What's someone
bandits? Jesus, I say, we have to turn a gaur red. We have to say, I to viringiza. Yes, I go then. What is here? I got to see. A man to pay you to couple of guys. Catastrophe. He was things that are not easy. Cause the Ragatora and Garden. Dongi. Comrade. Remember Jeremiah Hala.
Gentlemen,
boys might have poor. I think this is here, this is a baby. Boys might have. Thanks, Usher.